Hi everyone, my name is Grace Hayes and this is my first time making a review for a product. So this is for instasmile, which is a company that makes removable veneers for people looking for a straighter or whiter smile. It's not permanent, there's no dentist involved, and it's a more affordable option as opposed to Invisalign or braces. I personally wanted to look at this option because my teeth are not the whitest or the straightest. I have sideways teeth on the bottom, as you can see here. And I do have a tooth that is farther back than the others in the front. I do have a dead tooth, so it is darker than the rest of my teeth. I do a lot of in front of the camera work, and I always avoid close-ups and smiling with my teeth in photos or videos because of this insecurity of mine. Bleaching isn't something I wanted to look into because my teeth are already pretty sensitive. The idea of biting into ice just terrifies me. And also bleaching can be damaging for enamel. I do have an implant, a fake tooth, this one right here, in the front of my mouth that would not be able to bleach like the rest of my teeth would be able to. As far as straightening goes, braces I was apprehensive on because I do acting, modeling, and singing work, and as unfortunate as it is, a lot of people definitely discriminate on adults with braces. So I just didn't want to miss out on any potential gigs for the years having them. Also, they do take bank. They are pretty expensive. Invisalign is also expensive, and you do have to wear them 22, 23 hours a day and adjust to talking with them. So this is an option to look into if there's a minor fix you want. You might want to save some money with a quicker option that you'll need to adjust to talking with anyhow. Food for thought. Also, if you're missing teeth, removable veneers can help you with that as well to cover missing teeth. So if you can relate to any of these sentiments, maybe look into removable veneers. With that being said, this is my experience with instasmile. So when ordering, they ask you if you want a natural looking bottom or upper. I went natural because on the bottom, I think my crooked teeth, they give me some character. They're me, so I didn't want to really mess with that. And then I did go straighter on the top. Something to keep in mind is if you want something as close to your smile as possible and just want whiter teeth, you're gonna want to go with the natural option because it will straighten everything. You'll see when I put in my teeth, all my teeth in the front are even. So once you order that, you get an impression kit in the mail. It took around 30 minutes, and then you take pictures of your impressions, email them off to another specialist who lets you know if they're gonna work, and then you send them in. So 3 weeks later, they're at my door, and I'm gonna show you the results right now. Yeah, when you first put them in, it's kind of a shock to your mouth because it's different, but then you get to adjust to it. I'm still kind of adjusting with enunciating, but they're comfortable. Something you might want to keep in mind is if you're an avid lipstick wearer, you might want to opt for a gloss or a stain instead of a lipstick because I do find myself getting lipstick on my teeth often, but I would absolutely recommend them. The customer service is good. I feel confident with these to smile in photos. Don't have to throw myself in Facetune and whiten my teeth before I post. They're already post ready. Someone asked me if I can sing in these. The answer is yes. That really depends on your personal comfort level. There's definitely gonna be a slight alteration in enunciation for consonants, but singing is mostly vowels anyway, so there's not a huge difference. I wouldn't record a studio version of a song with these, but a live performance, yes. I really like them. I like them so much. I think, yeah, photos, anything up close, these are it. This is the review. Thank you so much for watching. Any details are gonna be down here. Take a look and enjoy. Goodbye. I'm gonna smile forever.